A small and resilient nation nestled in Northern Europe, stands as a shining example of how a country can transform itself through innovation, technology, and unwavering determination. With a population of just over 1.3 million people, this Baltic gem has not only preserved its rich cultural heritage but also emerged as a global leader in various fields, including e-governance, technology, and environmental conservation. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe, like and share the video. This video delves into the captivating story of Estonia, exploring its history, culture, remarkable achievements, and the factors that have shaped its unique identity. Estonia is characterized by its diverse geography, which includes forests, lakes, and a long coastline along the Baltic Sea. It shares borders with Russia to the east and Latvia to the south. The capital city of Estonia, Tallinn, is known for its well-preserved medieval old town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a popular tourist destination and offers a blend of historical architecture, modern culture, and a thriving tech scene. Estonia's history is a tapestry woven with threads of foreign influences, invasions, and occupations. For centuries, the land now known as Estonia was ruled by the Danes, Swedes, and Russians. Despite these challenges, the people of Estonia managed to maintain their distinct language and culture. In 1918, following the chaos of World War I and the Russian Revolution, Estonia declared its independence. The brief interlude of independence was overshadowed by the dark clouds of World War II when Estonia was occupied first by the Soviet Union and later by Nazi Germany. It wasn't until the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991 that Estonia once again declared its independence, this time achieving lasting freedom. This turbulent history is a testament to the Estonian people's resilience and their yearning for self-determination. The Estonian language is a unique Finno-Ugric language and is quite distinct from most of its neighboring languages. Despite its small population, Estonia places a strong emphasis on preserving its language and cultural identity. Estonian food is characterized by its use of local ingredients, including fish, potatoes, and various dairy products. Traditional dishes include blood sausage, verravorst, sauerkraut, hapakapsas, and black bread, must-libe. Estonia hosts a range of cultural events and festivals throughout the year, including music festivals, film festivals, and traditional celebrations like Midsummer's Eve, Janayatu, and Christmas. Estonia's journey from a former Soviet state to a cutting-edge e-governance powerhouse is truly remarkable. The country has embraced technology to an astonishing degree, with its citizens enjoying a comprehensive digital identity system. Estonians can conduct numerous government transactions online, from voting to accessing healthcare records, underpinning the nation's reputation as a pioneer in e-governance. The country's prowess in technology extends beyond e-governance. Estonia has a burgeoning startup ecosystem, with numerous successful tech companies and a commitment to fostering innovation. Talented Estonian engineers and entrepreneurs have created innovative solutions and platforms that have garnered international recognition. The Estonian e-residency program, which may be relevant to digital nomads and remote workers. The Estonian e-residency program is not a traditional visa but rather a digital identity program that allows individuals from around the world to establish and manage a business in Estonia and access various online government services. Estonia's natural beauty is another feather in its cap. The country's landscapes are dotted with lush forests, pristine lakes, and a stunning coastline along the Baltic Sea. National parks like Lahima and Summa provide a sanctuary for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Estonia's commitment to environmental conservation is evident in its efforts to protect its diverse ecosystem, including the unique bogs and wetlands. Estonia's story is one of resilience, renaissance, and innovation. The country's journey from a troubled history marked by foreign occupation to its present status as a modern, tech-savvy nation is a testament to the spirit of its people. Estonia has not only preserved its cultural heritage but has embraced the future with open arms, becoming a global leader in various fields. This remarkable Baltic nation serves as an inspiration to the world, demonstrating that determination, innovation, and the preservation of cultural identity can lead to remarkable achievements. Estonia's story is one of enduring hope, and it is a beacon for countries striving to overcome their past, embrace the future, and stand tall on the global stage. Thanks for watching. Please press the notification bell and never miss any videos in the future.